All right, guys. Well, it's bolted in, and we're about to fill it up. The hole is right there. Got a little pump thing. So we're gonna fill it up until it dribbles a little bit, and then we'll put the new bolt in. I'll get you guys an update at that point. All right. Well, last night I broke the pump, so I had to get one this morning. Finish filling it up. I'll let it dribble out a little bit, and we'll. Jeez, only if we didn't have to get the commentary. Hey, just for once. It's my show. Well, in that case, I'm gonna shut this video off, and you better get your butt over here and start videoing. I love you. That's what I thought. Punk. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna let that dribble out a little bit, and we figured out that we're gonna undo the trans mounts and drop it down. It should give us enough room to get that back pan off, because it hits the valve body and the firewall. So we're gonna get that out, get that all cleaned up. So hopefully within the next hour, transmission and diff and everything will be filled back up with fluids. I believe Bobby's ordering some new belts. Yeah. So, yeah. Real hard on that. Yep. So we'll get that going. Ooh, the whole quiet. Oh, yes. So much better. But yeah. All right, guys. Later.